Welcome back students to your online English tutorial class. Hope you are doing fine and using your time in a proper way. So today we are going to continue the chapter Little Tiger Big Tiger from where we had left it last week. But before that, like every other day, we will do a quick revision of what we learned last week. So in the part 2 class, we learnt about the home, the food of the mother tiger and her tiger cub. Then we learned how the wild animals protect themselves from being a prey of the tiger. And in the last class, we learned that the mother tiger did not hunt in the bright moonlit nights. We also discussed the reason behind it. Then we learned about the game that the mother tiger and her tiger cub used to play. One used to twitch her tail and the other one tried to pounce on it, remember? Third, we learned how the mother tiger called her son back to her if he somehow went far from her. How she always kept her watchful eyes over her son. And last, we learned that the tiger cub disliked staying near his mother at night. He wanted to explore the jungle by himself. Now after this brief recap, we will come to our topic for today, that is the 5th stanza. So let us first read it. One night the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog and caught it and turned to show his mother. But she was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. So what happened one night? One night, the mother tiger was tired. Maybe she did hunting all the day long and became tired at night and fell asleep. But the tiger cub, he was not tired. All he did throughout the day was roaming with his mother. He didn't have to hunt, so he didn't get tired. So he was awake. When his mother fell asleep, he was playing by her side and suddenly he noticed a frog. What was the frog doing? It was hopping along the ground. As soon as the tiger cub saw the frog, he wanted to catch it. After all, he wanted to be like his mother. He wanted to hunt. Though he was still learning the techniques to hunt, but he thought he was ready to hunt, and he will prove it to his mother that he is ready. So as soon as he noticed the frog, he pounced on it, just like the way he was pouncing on his mother's tail. But he could not catch the frog. The frog started hopping away from the cub. And the cub, without noticing how far he came from his mother, he kept pouncing on it until he caught it. When he caught it, he became so proud on himself that he wanted to show it to his mother immediately. So he quickly turned back. He thought that his mother was just behind him, but he could not see her. Instead of his mother, whom he saw it made him very scared. So who did he see? He saw a tiger only, but it was not his mother. It was someone else, another tiger. And the scariest thing about the other tiger is it was even bigger than his mother. For the cub, the mother was big enough. He thought that the ultimate big a tiger can be was like his mother. But his idea was wrong. He saw another tiger which was bigger than his mother. What happened next that we will read in the next stanza. Before that, we need to learn the new words of this stanza. These are hopped, chased and sight. So the meanings are: hopped means moved by a quick leap. The child hopped toward the washroom, means the child jumped and moved towards the washroom. Chased, followed someone to catch, means if you are pursuing or running after someone in order to catch the person. The police chased the criminal. Sight means the thing that can be seen. things that are there before your eyes. The rising sun is a must sight for me every day. Means I need to see the rising sun every day. Alright? So here are the probable questions from this stanza. What did the tiger cub notice one night? The tiger cub noticed a frog one night, right? What did the tiger cub do when he saw the frog? The tiger cub pounced on it as soon as he saw it. Who did the tiger cub see instead of his mother? The tiger cub saw another bigger tiger instead of his mother in the jungle. All the answers of these questions have been discussed once. Still, if you have missed any part, or if you could not understand it, that is why I am discussing this once more. Last question. Why did the tiger cub want to show the frog to his mother? The tiger cub, you can say it like this, that the tiger cub was eager to hunt on his own, but his mother would not let him do it, right? The frog was the cub's first solo hunt. He was proud of it. He wanted to show his mother that he too was capable of hunting. Okay, now we will move to the next stanza. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. He could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. The tiger crept closer to the little tiger cub. So what happens next? When the tiger cub moves far from his mother, he met a tiger which is not his mother. It was someone else. Not only that, the tiger is even bigger than his mother. So now, when the new tiger saw the tiger cub, his eyes sparkled. Not because of happiness, but because of greed. When we are happy, our eyes glisten, means our eyes sparkle. Again, when we are feeling some kind of greed, then also our eyes sparkle. So here, the bigger tiger's eyes were glistening because of greed. He wanted to hunt the little tiger cub. The tiger cub became very scared. He was scared of the big tiger. He could not understand what he should do. Should he run away? Should he hide? But he was so afraid that he could not even move his legs. A few minutes ago, he hunted a frog, and now he was going to be a hunt of another tiger. He released the frog because for that moment his own life was more important to him, right, than eating the frog. So he dropped the frog and the frog hopped away. And then the scariest thing happened. The bigger tiger was silently coming closer to the cub, and he was coming very slowly. He was very careful not to make any noise. He wanted to do the hunting silently. So the new words you learn from this stanza are glistened, frightened, and crept. Here are the meanings. Glistened means shine with a sparkling light. Okay, it's glowing something. If something is glowing, you can say that the thing is glistening. The streets glistened in rain. Okay, be careful about the pronunciation of glistened. It is not glistened. Also write the spelling numerous times in your copy and practice it. Okay, frightened. Frightened means to become afraid, to be scared of something. The story really frightened me. Crept. Crept is the past form of creep. Okay, creep means moving slowly and carefully. She crept toward the edge of the rope. Crept also means when you are moving without making any noise. That is also creeping. Here are the probable questions of this stanza. How did the tiger cub feel after watching the bigger tiger? So, how did the tiger cub feel, students? The tiger cub was frightened. He even let his first hunt go away because of his fear. He could not hide, he could not run. The next question, what are the meanings of the words glistened and crept? Questions might come from the word meanings too. So study the word meanings properly. The meanings of these words were already given. You can answer this question from there easily. Alright. Now we will read the last stanza of today's class. But a roar filled the jungle. The roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar a loud, big tiger roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. Now, as soon as the bigger tiger started walking towards the tiger cub, suddenly they heard a roar behind them. And whose roar was it, kids? It was none other than the mother tiger. The mother tiger came to save her child. Not only saving, she was so angry that she screamed a big roar at the bigger tiger. The other tiger now understood his mistake. He realized he should not have targeted the tiger cub. He made the mother tiger angry, and now, just a sec. Yes. So, without making her further angry, the bigger tiger left the place. The mother tiger roared a few more times just to make other wild animals in the jungle realize her presence, right? She wanted to make everyone know that she was not afraid of anyone. All the wild animals in the jungle were very scared of her. So this stanza doesn't have any such tough word. So let's come to the questions directly. What happened when the bigger tiger started coming closer to the tiger cub? So what happened when the bigger tiger started coming closer to the tiger cub? As soon as the bigger tiger stepped towards the tiger cub, the mother tiger came from behind and roared a big tiger roar. The bigger tiger left the place, and the mother tiger made everyone understand in the jungle to be afraid of her. Okay, the next question. Why did the mother tiger like to roar a loud big tiger roar? The mother tiger liked to roar a loud big tiger roar to make everyone understand her presence. Okay, before we conclude our class for today, there is a small task for you. Here are few jumbled letters given below. You will arrange these letters in a proper order to make a word from it. Alright, now you can take help from the text. Okay, we will learn the remaining part in the next class. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.